Pinasa kay Marino. May palagat si Marino. 2 points para kay jersey number 2. Kaya wala pa rin na rebound lead. Marino pa rin na nakakuha. Pinasa kay jersey number 4. Thank you. 2 points para kay jersey Lopez. Pinasa kay Bumala. Kumekers. Bumala. Tumira. Wall block. Number 14. What a pass by jersey number 40 to number 4. Looking for his teammate. Hinanap kay Bumala. Tumira na 3. Reverse jersey number 18. Pinasa jersey number 4. Kumeke. Kumeke ulit. Tumira. 2 points para kay jersey number 4. Jersey number 20, Lopez. Pinasa Bumala. Tumira. 2 points para kay jersey number 18. Rodriguez Beltran na may tangan. Making score. Pinasa jersey number 21. 2 points para kay jersey number 12. Lopez ang nagbawalang-wala. Walang move. At ako from Lopez. Tumira. 2 points para kay jersey number 8. The lead is down to 2. In favor of South Lane. 2-point lead para sa tropang South Lane. Number 15. Set to shoot para sa South Lane. Pinasa number 7. Pinasa 24. What a steal by Arcenas. Number 8. Lopez. Nagkamadali. 15 seconds to shoot para sa Somane. Yan Tulas. Kumila ng 2. Airball. Ang nariwang ni Arcenas. Made away. 2 points. Jersey number 8. Take a look at jersey number 21. Tumira. 2 points para jersey. Now, pinasa kay Lopez. Lopez, nagkamadali mo ba? Stop and pump. 2 points para kay Lopez. Jersey. Making it move. Pinasa kay 45. Kumeke. Tumira ng floater. Ganyan pa rin. Tumira na naman. 2 points para kay jersey number 45. Lopez. Uy, one move by Lopez. Basket count para kay jersey number 8. What a move. Ano? Okay. Take a 3 Kumeke. Fake lang pala yung tumira. No good. Naku na 7 sa bola. 2 points para kay 7. Tama. Manalo. Making score. Manalo. Sa step. Pinasa kay Lopez. 2 points. Lopez, pinasa kay Bumalag, tumira ng 2 points para kay Bumalag. Number 15, number 1, making his move. Kick out pass para kay number 40, 3 points para kay Ian. Pinasa kay Team Beltran, what a pass! To jersey number 45, 2 points po para sa Somane. What a pass to Kalye! 2 points para kay Kalye. Pinasa kay jersey number 40, Riola Camila ng 3. 3 points! Ng mga Pepe, jersey number 15, what a pass! To jersey number 45, 2 points para kay jersey number 45. And then, Bumalag, tumira! Basket count para kay Bumalag. Para kay Riola, step back 3, no good. Naribang ni 45, 2 points para kay Riola.
Passengers number 4. Passengers number 30. Take a 3 points. Lopez. Pass to Manalo. Manalo 2 points. Jersey number 21. 2 points. Jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number. Jersey number 24. Take a 3 now. Jersey number 30, 2 points. Jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 24, 2 points. Lopez, takes it away, passes it over 24, taking 3. 3-5. So there's another. There's another 24. Passes it over 24 again. 3-5.
At 7, make a play, shot for 3. Bang! 3 points. Pass to 2 points, jersey number 4. Pass to number 5. Riolo make a play, pass to jersey number 4. Back to Riolo. 2 points, Riolo. Jersey number 4 making play. Pule. Jersey number 8, layup. 2 points, jersey number 8, Lopez. Pass to Lopez, 2 seconds. Beltran ang kamadali. Pass to Merino. Merino lay. 2 points by Merino. Riola now. Riola making a play. Pass to Hardy Boys. Hardy Boys. With the trick shot. 2 points. Hardy Boys. Without the threat. No good. Dribbles by Merino sa ilalim. Reverse. 2 points by Merino. Score. Steal by Lopez. But steal again to Beltran. Bigos Beltran ang kamadali. Pass to Hardy Boys. Hardy Boys fake pass. 2 points, Hardy Boys. Lead. Change clear. Kubalag, jump shot. No good. Dribble by Kubalag again. Kubalag, nilabas ng bola. Fake, Kubalag again. 2 points, Kubalag. Second personal foul. Nagkamadali. Pass to Maylon. Pass to Lopez. 2 points by Lopez. Maylon. Maylon. Pass to Lopez. Lopez, jump shot. 2 points, Lopez. Beltran, jump shot. No good, likod ba ang Taran? Nagkaroon pump, Taran, steal ang Taran. No good pa rin, likod ba ang pa rin ang Taran. 2 points by Alan Taran. Now, wala, bro. 2 points. Merino, pass to Beltran. 10 on the shot clock. Beltran, jump shot. Bang! 2 points, Beltran. Beltran again. 7, pass to Lopez. Lopez, pass to Balag, reverse. 2 points to Balag. Score. Merino. Merino now, on the play, pass to Hardy Boys, taking the board, 2 points. Hardy Boys, stop to Balag, jump shot. Look at the ring, Riolo, pass to Hardy Boys. Hardy Boys in the easy lead. 2 points, Hardy Boys. Last 30 seconds on the clock. 3 points by Albaran. Albaran. And at the third quarter, Kanye pass to Lopez. Lopez big. Lopez on the drive. Block the ball again. Kanye bola. 3 versus 2. Kanye pass to Lopez. 2 points. Lopez. Team. Stand on the shot clock. Beltran jump shot. 2 points by Beltran. Pass to Cepes. Cepes pass to Maylon. Without the threat. Bang! 3 points on Beltran. Pass to Merino. Shot clock 10. Merino for 2. 2 points Merino. Merino. Last 6 minutes and 27 seconds. Pass to Albaran sa ilalim. 2 points by Albaran. Clear.
Pass to Kubalag. Kubalag, sumaksak. 2 points. 15 to shoot. There's never one plus 5. Take it. Solo. Lopez, pass to Kubalag. Kubalag. 2 points. Steal. There's never one plus 5. There's never 0. There's never 0. Pass to number 15. 2 points. There's number 13. Pass to number 20. There's number 10. Pass to number 20. Lopez. Patay, 2 points. Mendoza, pass to Desiree Ford. Desiree Ford, 2 points. Sige, pass to Kali. Kali. Raise 17. Raise 17. 2 points. Pass to Desiree Ford. Pass to Desiree number 18. Raise number 18 to the stop. Down. Captain. Wala. May iba pa din sa 50, pass to Desiree 40. Take it 3. 3 points. Steal. Raise number 14. Pass to Desiree 15. Raise number 15. Steal. Bumala. 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 2 points. Pass to Lopez again. Take it 2. 2 points. Raise number 0-0. Rodrigo. Pass to them number 14. 45, 2 points. There's number 18. Pass to them number 45. There's number 45, 33. 3 points. For this number 45. 2 points, 5 seconds. Foul. For this number. Wow! Go! 2 points for next number 18. Time out. Solomon. Next game.